Hello, we're here at SL Equipment today to look at this custom 8.5 by 24 trailer. On the front, we can see a generator platform and a generator mounted, triple tube tongue. And on the front, there's a breakaway cable, light cable, safety chains, coupler for a 2 5/16 ball. On the driver's side, we can see RV style window. There's a sink system in here, as well as a bathroom. So we'll see both wastewater outputs. Both of them have a 3-inch cap for RV style hose. This trailer has aluminum mag wheels. The rear deck has the expanded metal mesh. It also has a bifold gate, which is spring assisted. All the exterior lights on the trailer are LED. The back end of the trailer also has roller wheels to keep the back end from bottoming out. The trailer has an awning on the passenger side. It is a black awning. It's also electric. City water fill is on the passenger side. So there's a 3/4 inch hose connection and a fill port. We'll have the entry door with a bar lock that can go across, as well as RV style flush lock. There's a step up into the trailer and a wood linoleum flooring. All the power components inside this trailer are going to be up in the front. So you'll have your fuse panel, battery charger, breaker box. There's also a mini split on this unit located in the front. This trailer does have a bed lift as well. So the bed can lift and lower. There's a switch on the wall for that. Small nook with storage. And then there's cabinets above as well. There's a sink and a cabinet base, as well as the RV style window. This trailer also has a bathroom with its own hand sink and toilet. There's a plug in the bathroom, as well as a roof vent. Going to the rear porch, we have a door that leads outside. This porch does have 6 D-rings, 3 in the back, 3 in the front. Small gate door on the side. And then we can see the spring assist for the bifold gate on both sides. Go back around. So we can see I got the LED lights on. The awning is super easy to operate. There's a switch on the wall. On the front, we can see the mini split. If you have any further questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.